all about Glow Eruption with 450 tonight, live in concert. Check it out.
One ball on the Pamela. Show me the ball. Let's go. Watch out. When you come up here to say, remember, ladies, you see that girl stand right now, man. On the set, good make money and soon. Ready? All pretty girl. Valiant for the youth now. No disrespect to the young artist.
Intense from here, the voice of Valiant to represent BRT 2024.
Everyone knows you're a friend. This is bad girl married. I love them friend. Jump on number one. Oh no, must can't do this right now. Everybody by the beach must can't do this. Watch out. Oh no, oh, Simba, yeah, stop. Oh, singer, yeah, man.
BRT weekend, one word. Original dance at the place now. Boys, the boys are talking right now. BRT weekend. Hey, where's there?
I'm a first BRT weekend, Richie. Believe me, intense. I'm love it. Because I get some Platinum Kids, I'm a bro from New York. And the man himself, boys are rolling. I'm a I come support it. I'm there support it. World Boom just sell it. I'm there all the vibes. Yo, BRT weekend every year. They are.
All of the girls never love 450.
Alright, so BRT weekend comes alive right now. What the vibe like a BRT weekend?
Lovely, beautiful, beautiful vibe, love it, it's crazy, it's mad.
Alright, so right now you have a party will come about, big bash party. Sashi, talk about Sashi right now, because it's bus time check in for the party there.
It's crazy, May 23rd, 27th, Busta Rhyme, Neo, it's the vibration weekend. The greatest show on earth.
North Coast, them have a check in. Yo, North Coast boys, talk to them right now. BRT weekend. Alright, look.
Follow, BRT weekend. Coast. No, you know it's a vibe to it. We have to come and just end us the vibe.
Are you alone? That's true. Beg of
450 represent, I mean I say Intense TVJ.
450 Adelaide is begging for more. But guess what, go on. BRT weekend Glow Eruption was fully intense.
Knowing Richie, I'm sure he had a blast. Of course, part 2 of BRT weekend is happening right now in Ochi. So check it out if you're around. So let's get